In this video, I will show you how to install controller with Windows operating system and then registering it in Mineitor. On your dashboard, choose Personal Computer. Then, download the installer file of Windows. Wait for installation file to download it. Now, right-click on the downloaded file and click the Run as Administrator option. There will be a Windows Defender warning. Click on Run Anyway. Follow the installation wizard and click Next. Since WinCap is required for Mineitor, the installation dialog for WinCap will be shown. Mineitor will be installed on the next step after WinCap. At the end, OpenSSH server will be installed, since the remote browser feature is dependent on OpenSSH. When the installation is finished, reboot the system. Now you have to register the device on Mineitor. Open the Mineitor with the shortcut created on your desktop. Copy the serial number or click on the green button under the serial number to automatically register the farm. Perfect, you did it well. Now you have to register your farm. That I will explain it in the following videos. If you have any question or problem, feel free to create a ticket from your dashboard or talk to us using website live chat service.